Ayurvedic Kata for common cold and cough. Add 1 cup of water, 4 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon, piece of ginger, 10 tulsi leaves and 5 to 6 black pepper to a pot. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the water is reduced to half a cup. Strain the water and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Adults and children can drink half a cup of this mixture twice a day. Children above 6 months old can drink 1 tablespoon of this mixture twice a day. Caution: drinking too much Ayurvedic Kata can make your body heat up.